fantastic things to show you. There you go.
What's that? Hello?
Should we?
I suppose one tiny taste wouldn't hurt.
Well.
Wow!
I'm flying.
There's no sensation that's quite as sensational as flying.
Really fulfilling and higher educational as flying.
It's educational
And inspirational trying.
way, way up there in the air to be touching the sky.
Which I guess is why there is no feeling quite like the feeling of flying.
Bumping your heads on the ceiling of what's above. It's so appealing, I really get my depth defying. Flying there is no high that's as high as the high I'm trying. Flying.
What's that sound?
I'm not sure. It's getting louder though. We better slow down.
Look up, Charlie. It's a fan. It's sucking us up. Try to float down.
I can't.
It's gonna cut us to bits.
Think
Try-
positive.
I can't.
Think positive.
Wait, burping is the answer. Burp.
This is fun. Whee! Oh, how I love to burp.
A deep old burp from Atlanta to Antwerp.
From John Wayne to Ryder.
Just as birds love to chirp.
Every guy loves to be URP. Happy birthday.